Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine. I hope you all are fine, safe at your home and doing your online studies. As well as you see your videos and complete your work on time. Do your homework, do your classwork and complete your all the notebooks for all subjects. Yes or no? Yes. Very nice. So now, which period is going on? Subject math. Now, the time of revision time. So, please complete all the revision for your annual examination. So, let us start. First questions of your revision is numbers. You know about numbers. We have done 1 to 100 numbers, 1 to 100 counting we have done, but for your revision we start from 1 to 50. So are you ready for writing numbers 1 to 50? How to write numbers? First, write down the position of the numbers like tens and ones. All are write in your notebook tens and ones and start from ones column. Start from ones column means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and here 1, 0, 10. 1 in your tens column. So, according to this line, write from 1 to 10. Understand? Then, drop one line and once again you write tens and ones. Now write from after 10. After 10 which number will come? 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19 and 2, 0, 20. So from 11 to 20 like this. Write from 1 to 20 fast from the board. This is a revision practice for all. So write compulsory for all. Please write down all the numbers from 1 to 50. Okay. Then write down the heading revision time and start from counting. 1, 2, 5, 0, 50. So, follow up from the board and write fast. 20. Then, after 20, drop one line and write from 2, 1, 21. First, write down the position of the numbers. Then, write down the numbers 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29 and 3, 0, 30. So, write from 21 to 30 like this. Write all the numbers from 1 to 30. Say the numbers and write the numbers. Drop one line and move to the next line. Return. Then start from 31. Start from 3, 1, 31. 3 1 31, 3 2 32, 3 3 33, 3 4 34, 3 5 35, 3 6 36, 3 7 37, 3 8 38, 3 9 39 and 4 0 40. So from 31 to 40, write like this and write fast. Complete all the lines like 1 to 40. Write fast. Then we will revise all the numbers from 1 to 50. So first you write, then revise all the numbers and counting from 1 to 50. Okay. So you revise also and return also for your revision. Complete 1 to 40. Now start. First you draw one line and start from 4 1 41. Write here tens and ones. It is compulsory writing tens and ones. So write from 41. 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43, 4 4 44, 4 5 45, 4 6 46, 4 7 47, 4 8 48, 4 9 49 and 5 0. So numbers from 1 to 50. Write fast, then we'll start the revision. Do fast from 1 to 50. Return. Now start revision. How to revise the numbers? Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Look at the numbers and revise. Now from 11, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19 and 2, 0, 20. Revise. Now start from 21, 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29 and 3, 0, 30. Numbers from 21 to 30. Complete. Now from 31, 3, 1, 31, 3, 2, 32, 3, 3, 33, 3, 4, 34, 3, 5, 35, 3, 6, 36, 3, 7, 37, 3, 8, 38, 3, 9, 39 and last 4, 0, 40. Numbers from 31 to 40. Now from 41, 4, 1, 41, 4, 2, 42, 4, 3, 43, 4, 4, 44, 4, 5, 45, 4, Now your turn. You revise from 1 to 50 with the help of your math notebook. First you complete your written work, then revise all the numbers from 1 to 50. So let's start. After this, question number 2. What is number 2? Count and write. We have done already count and write, so this time for revision time. Again we will start count and write numbers. For number 1, in your first line, how many houses in this line? First you count, then write the number. First you count and then write the number. What is the number? 1, 2. Here 2 houses are there, plus here 1 only. So 2 plus 1. Now count together. 1, 2, 3. Here write number 3. Don't count plus sign. Okay, it is a plus sign. आपको plus sign count नहीं करना है, सिर्फ things count करना है. Whatever we have given, all the things you count things only. Don't count plus sign. Understand all of you? आपको plus sign count नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ things count करना है. Like 1, 2, 3. Enough. Write number 3. Then move to the next example is now tell me how many flowers are there. Count flowers. Here only 1 plus here 1, 2, 3. Here 3 flowers are. Now what is 1 plus 3? Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many flowers are there? 4. It is question number 2. Question number 1 is counting from 1 to 50. We have done. Then count and write number 2. Now move to the example number 3 is plus 1, 2 or 3 is what? Here how many kites are there? Here 2 kites are there, plus here 1, 2, 3 kites are there. Now what is 2 plus 3? Don't know. Now count all the kites together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many kites are there? 5 kites in this line. So line to line you count all the things. आपको line by line सारी things count करना है. In one line how many houses are there? In second line, how many flowers are there? In third line, how many kites are there? And write the number in the box. So let's practice for count and write. Practice for count and write. You have in your math notebook so many examples are there. So you count the things and write the numbers. Like house, flowers, kites, apple, mango, boat. Okay, whatever you want. You draw the things and count the things and write the numbers. So count and write done. Any doubt in this question? First you count the thing, then write the number, and you don't count plus sign. आपको ये साइन प्लस नहीं करना है, सिर्फ थिंग्स प्लस करना है. जो भी आपको थिंग्स बोर्ड पे दिख रही है वो, जैसे हाउस, फ्लावर्स, काइट्स. So you count only things. Okay, then next question is count and circle. Now what is count and circle? We have done also in your previous videos. What is count and circle? Count and circle. Here make book. Count 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 numbers are there. Now count how many books are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 books are there. Now where is number 3? Is this number 3? No. Is this number 3? No. This. So you circle the number 3. This is the concept of count and circle. First you count the thing, then circle the number. Now next. Now here 3 numbers are there. 4, 2 and 9. First you count all the ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ice creams are there? There are 4 ice creams are there. Now, is this number 4? Yes. So you count number 4. Circle the number 4 and move to the next. Next is make a pen. 1. Count the pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now here 3 numbers are there. The number is 3 numbers are there. Now count. First you count pens and then circle the numbers. How many pens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pens. So you circle the number 6. It is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. Complete? Then what is next? Here number 2, 1, 4. Now how many tree? Only one tree. And where is number 1? Is this number number 1? No. Is number 1? Circle the number 1. So, this is count and circle. Is this counts and circle? So, you first count the things, then circle the numbers. Like 1, 2, 3. Here number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here number 4. How many pens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here number 6. And only 1, 3. So, here number 1, only 1. So, the practice for 1 to 50. Count and write and count and circle. Is this number? Question number 3. One is revision for counting 1 to 50. Number 2, count and write numbers. And number 3, count and circle. So, please copy from the board all the examples for your revision. And keep practice for your exam and prepare for your annual examination. So, now, bye. Your lecture is over. We will meet in your next video for next questions for your revision. Till then, bye and have a nice day.